Hey guys, my name is Rizky Rachmad and my student number is 123240150. Enjoy the video. Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're going to review one of the powerful and versatile tools for 3D modeling, Blender. Here's some standout features from these tools. 3D modeling. Blender gives you freedom to create models without limits. And then animation. You can also create an animation with these tools. And then rendering. You can render your model. And then video editing. You can also edit your video using Blender. And much more feature from this Blender. Blender is a perfect tool for any creative user because its possibilities are endless. Blender works for any type of user, not only professional artists. You can also use Blender as a daily user as well. So, this is the interface. If you open Blender for the first time, you can choose your type of file for your project such as general, 3D, sculpting, video effect, and video editing. You can choose whatever you want. This is the default model that Blender gives you. On the left side, you can choose options to manipulate your object such as cursor, move, rotate, scale, transform, annotate, measure, and add cube. And then this is for editor type. There are so many editors that you can use. On this side of the menu, you can also use several tools to support your project as well. On the right side of the menu, you can see all of the objects that have been added to the display. On this side, you can edit your object data by each number with these options such as tool, render, output, view layer, scene, world, collection, object, physics, constraint, and data. On the display, you can click middle mouse button to rotate your view. You can click left mouse button to select your object, and then right mouse button to manipulate your object with these options. Not only that, you can select your object and then use these tools that I said before. This menu display your data value from your object. You can edit your data value right here. On the bottom side, you can see this is the menu for animation right here. You can also make animation with this one. You can change different mode right here. Different mode will give you different options for your object as well. These are the options that Blender gives you. Right now, I'm going to show you how to manipulate your object. First, you can choose the move you want right here. This is the move mode. You can move your object and then rotate mode. You can rotate your object within the coordinates like X, Y, and Z coordinate. This is the rotating object. You can rotate whatever you want. And then scale mode. You can also change the scale of the object within these coordinates x, y, and z, like this. And then transform. Transform is like the free mode. You can rotate, move, even scale. And all of this is from layout tools. And then this is the modeling tool. You can change your model with this tool and this option. And after it is sculpting mode, you can edit your object with this tool. There are so many tools and options right here. And then the next one is UV editing tool. And then texture paint tools. You can texture and bring color to your object. And then shading tools. You can add shader to your object. And then the next one is animation. You can animate your object right here with these tools. And then the next one is rendering. You can see rendered model right here. And then the next one is compositing. And then the last one is geometry tools. Finally, if you turn your project, you can click this render menu to save your result. This is the camera. The camera is your perspective to see the object. For example, imagine if the object was done editing, and then you click render, and then render image. You can see the result right here if you're done doing your project. Thank you very much.